Here's a clear comparison of two software platforms. An AI voice continues from here. Let's start directly with LuxAlgo pricing, because this platform is positioned very clearly as a premium signal and indicator ecosystem rather than a broker or execution platform. LuxAlgo operates on a subscription model with two main plans, Premium and Ultimate. On a monthly basis, the Premium plan is priced at $67.99 per month and is designed for active discretionary traders who want structured signals and advanced indicators without automation. If you switch to yearly billing, the price drops significantly to $39.99 per month, billed annually, which represents roughly a 40% discount compared to paying monthly. This annual option is clearly targeted at traders who already know they will use the tools consistently and want to reduce long-term costs. The Ultimate plan sits at the top of LuxAlgo's offering and is priced at $119.99 per month when billed monthly. With annual billing, that price drops to $59.99 per month, offering up to 50% savings. This plan is positioned for traders who want AI-assisted automation, advanced backtesting, and access to LuxAlgo's strategy engine, rather than just visual signals. Both plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which slightly lowers the entry risk for new users who want to test the platform in live market conditions, without fully committing upfront. Feature-wise, LuxAlgo is heavily focused on price action and indicator-based decision support. The Premium plan includes price action concepts, algorithms with a built-in screener, signals and overlays, integrated directly into TradingView, oscillator matrix tools, advanced alerts and scanner alerts that can be routed through Discord. These tools are designed to help traders identify structure, trend strength, liquidity zones, and momentum without manually stacking dozens of indicators or relying on subjective chart interpretation. The Ultimate plan builds on that foundation by adding AI-driven automation. This includes access to an AI agent that can analyze millions of strategy combinations, generate strategy alerts, feed automation inputs, auto-replicate AI strategies on TradingView, and participate in a backtesting community with shared templates. This shifts LuxAlgo from a pure signal tool into a semi-systematic research and automation environment, though execution still happens externally through the trader's chosen broker. On the pro side, LuxAlgo offers strong visual clarity, deep indicator logic, seamless TradingView integration, flexible billing with meaningful annual discounts, and an ecosystem that supports both discretionary and semi-automated traders. It's especially appealing for traders who already live inside TradingView and want structured, rules-based confirmation layered on top of their existing workflow. On the con side, LuxAlgo does not execute trades, does not manage risk automatically, and does not replace a broker. Signals still require trader discretion, and the learning curve can be steep for beginners unfamiliar with price action concepts and market structure. Costs can also add up over time if you stay on monthly billing, particularly for the Ultimate plan, and results ultimately depend on how well the trader applies the signals, manages risk, and adapts to changing market conditions rather than the signals alone. Now shifting to AvaTrade pricing, and this is a completely different model compared to indicator platforms like LuxAlgo, because AvaTrade is a regulated multi-asset broker, not a signal or automation service. AvaTrade does not charge subscription fees. Instead, trading costs are built directly into spreads and overnight financing, which means you only pay when you actually trade. AvaTrade earns revenue primarily through the buy-sell spread, also known as the bid-ask spread. There are no platform fees, no monthly charges, and no commissions on most instruments. Spreads vary depending on the asset being traded, market conditions, and account type, but they are generally competitive across Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and CFDs. This structure makes AvaTrade easier to understand for beginners, as costs are embedded into pricing rather than itemized as separate fees. In addition to spreads, AvaTrade applies overnight funding fees, also called swap or rollover fees, when positions are held beyond a certain time. These charges vary by instrument and market direction and are standard across CFD brokers. AvaTrade does not charge deposit fees and withdrawals are generally free, though third-party payment providers may apply their own charges depending on region and method. Feature-wise, AvaTrade offers a broad, execution-focused trading environment. Traders gain access to multiple platforms including MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, and AvaTrade Go, covering both desktop and mobile workflows. AvaTrade supports Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto CFDs, making it suitable for traders who want diversification across asset classes from a single account. Education is another strong area. AvaTrade includes structured educational resources, trading guides, video lessons, economic calendars, and platform tutorials designed to support newer traders as they build foundational skills. While it does not offer advanced strategy, automation, or indicator ecosystems like LuxAlgo, AvaTrade focuses on execution reliability, platform stability, and regulated market access. On the pro side, AvaTrade offers no subscription fees, competitive spreads, multiple professional-grade platforms, strong regulatory oversight, beginner-friendly onboarding, and broad asset coverage. It's particularly well suited for traders who want direct market access without paying monthly software costs and who value regulation and platform stability. On the con side, AvaTrade does not provide advanced proprietary indicators, AI-driven signals, or built-in strategy automation. Trading costs can accumulate through spreads and overnight fees for active or long-term CFD traders, and it is not designed for traders seeking TradingView native signal ecosystems or algorithm marketplaces. In terms of user feedback, based on Trustpilot data at the time of recording, LuxAlgo holds a rating of 4.6 out of 5, based on over 1,500 reviews, reflecting strong satisfaction with indicators and customer support. AvaTrade holds a rating of 4.7 out of 5, based on more than 11,500 reviews, indicating consistently positive feedback around platform reliability, customer service, and ease of use. As always, reviews are subjective, may vary by region and trading experience. Final takeaway: if your priority is advanced indicators, TradingView integration, and structured analytical confirmation tools, LuxAlgo is the better fit. If your focus is executing trades across Forex and CFDs with no subscription fees, strong regulation, and a full brokerage environment, AvaTrade is the more practical choice. These platforms serve entirely different roles, so the right decision depends on whether you need analytical signal support or a reliable broker to execute and manage trades. If this breakdown helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest trading platform comparisons, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you trade, manage risk, and grow with confidence.